we have clearly broken the previous high level structure. Breaking above this horizontal channel, guys, this could be a very bullish move, and the monthly line is also most probably going to be plotted to the upside. So this might be a similar scenario also here in 2020. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So looking at the current Bitcoin price action, you can see, guys, today I have actually something very interesting thing to show to you all, because if you look at this price action of 2020 and go back here and look at this from 2019, this price structure, what we are forming it right now, this markup phase, the symmetrical triangle, breaking above the symmetrical triangle, where before we had this massive move to the upside, we had this consolidation phase, right? And after breaking this parallel channel here to the upside, it led us to a very bullish move to the upside. And now if you look at this price structure here from 2020, where we are at the moment, guys, you can also see this markup phase breaking above this symmetrical triangle here, which actually gave us an indication, hey, now the price is heading to the upside. And if you look at this price structure here from 2019 and see, now we are also forming this sideways channel. So this horizontal channel, you can see, if we are actually going to break above here, just like from 2019, guys, this sideways movement right now is actually gathering energy to break to the upside. And I highly believe that this scenario which we had here from 2019, this might be a similar scenario also here in 2020, because now if you look at this price structure, there is a high possibility for price to move and sideways and then break massively to the upside, just like here from 2019. Because this price structure, what you are seeing here, guys, this is not the first time we are making this kind of movement. Because if you look at the price action of Bitcoin, not only from 2019 and also from 2015 and 16, guys, this similar price structure. Let me show you this. So now if we actually look at this here, this price structure here from 2015 and 2016, guys, and also look at our current price movement from 2020, this here is also pointing out, hey, this sideways channel, breaking above this sideways channel could lead to a bullish move to the upside. And I actually said you plenty of time, I highly believe that the price has still one more big move waiting us ahead. Because if you look at this price structure here from 2015 and now also from 2020, guys, we have this markup phase, we have this price correction also back here in 2015, similar price movement, right? Big price correction. You can also see here we went slowly in an upper direction, right? Then we formed this symmetrical triangle, also a longer period consolidation phase. And here similar case, we had this longer period consolidation phase. After breaking the upper line of the symmetrical triangle, we had this really nice move to the upside. And this here where we are also forming exact the sideways movement. So from the previous example, you can also see breaking above this horizontal channel, guys, this could be a very bullish move after that for Bitcoin, because I strongly believe this is going to be a similar case, just like here from 2019 and also from 2015 and 16, because this here is just warming up for this another big move, guys. And also you can say, hey, I'm just making up the charts, but guys, if you go to the price action of Bitcoin, this kind of movement has mostly led to a very bullish move. And now if you also look this here in a bigger time frame, the current Bitcoin price action, this is what we see. Let's switch the chart. We have already talked about this scenario. This descending broadening wedge has been panning out also very well. This is in a weekly time frame, guys, because the bigger the time frame, better and accurate it gets, because in a smaller time frame there are lots of noise involved, right? So if you look at this here in a bigger time frame, in a logarithmic chart, guys, you will see this price movement here breaking above this upper line structure here of this horizontal channel. This led also a very bullish move to the upside. And you can see this weekly candle, this is a really bullish weekly candle, because if you look at this in a whole, this sideways movement here right now, and this here, the target area where we could actually reach according to this descending broadening wedge in a weekly time frame, you can see from the swing high till swing low of this broadening wedge, we are actually getting an image that the price has possibility to come around this 17,000 or 18,000 level. And also I showed you last time with this sideways channel, right? If you include this sideways channel, maybe our price here is heading in a sideways direction, because now if you look at this here structure, guys, you can also notice that the price is following the ascending channel, isn't it? So you can see every time price comes around this upper line of this ascending channel, it led to a price drop, and when it was below this or at the support line of this ascending channel, it actually led to a pump to the upside. So now we have already reached to the bottom area. You can see according to this analysis here, we had this mark of face, right, where the price actually went to test the upper line of this ascending channel. So now if you look at our price action, we are also heading to our exact location where our target for this boarding wedge is going to be, around 17,000, 18,000. That's why I was talking about the target area of 17,000, 18,000 in my previous video. And guys, now if we look at this also in a very different manner, you can also notice that right now this area where we are is a very crucial area, because if you go like this here, guys, you can notice that around this area we had a lot of price rejection, because you can see here, this here we were unable to break above this structure. So similarly, you can see here, after reaching this area, we were also unable to break this trend line here. So we came here around that area, we also failed to break above. Now we are seeing the similar move. Now here you can see, guys, if this is going to be a similar case, you can also see that the wick is getting rejected around this particular level. But I showed you with the other example that I strongly believe that here could be a very bullish move, because if you look at this hole in a monthly, you can also notice one thing, very interesting scenario, that this monthly candle here now has broken above the previous high where we had failed. Because if you look at this, we have clearly broken the previous high level structure where the price has mostly got rejected. But in a monthly candle, this monthly candle had already pierced through it. You can see here, right, this got rejected, this got rejected, this candle also got rejected, and also this got rejected. But you can see here, in our case, this monthly candle is clearly heading to the upside, guys. And also if we look this price structure, guys, in a different scenario, let me also show you one example. Okay, so we know we actually have talked about this scenario. This here is Bitcoin USD chart in a 4-hour time frame, and this is the monthly pivot line. And also if you look at this here with the help of this monthly pivot line, guys, you can see tomorrow we are going to see a new pivot line plotting. So that's going to indicate, hey, since now the monthly CPR is also indicating that, hey, it is clearly in an uptrend, that could be a very bullish move. Because if you look at this price structure here, we have been in an uptrend since months, and we can also see that this current stage where we are, this is also a add to area. So if the price is going to close around this area, then the monthly line is also most probably going to be plotted to the upside. So that's going to be indication, hey, now this is an ascending CPR, ascending monthly CPR, which act as a support. Because you can see when the trend is heading to the upside, this CPR line has acted as a very strong support, isn't it? So now if monthly CPR is going to be plotted somewhere around here, then this is also going to act as a support, and then price might bounce to the upside, guys. This is very like interesting scenario, because so far looking at this past Bitcoin price action, and also with the help of the CPR, there is a high possibility for price to still continue to the upside. So guys, I'm desperately waiting to see how tomorrow's CPR is going to be plotted. And also if you actually enjoyed the video, please smash the like button, and also hit the subscribe button if you're watching this video for the first time. So by saying this, I'm signing off. My name is Anup. Bye bye.